How to save iPhone text messages as PDF. Hi everyone, welcome back. Here's a video tutorial on how to save iPhone text messages as PDF. As of the moment, there's still no existing built-in feature from iOS that lets us save iPhone text messages as PDF. So for today's video, we will start by going to our App Store and download the third-party application. So let's open App Store. And on here, just simply look up PDF and you will see a lot of results. But I think the easiest or the simplest one to use is Photos to PDF Converter. So try to download this one. And once it's on your phone, let's start by going to our messages and just simply open the message that you want to save as a PDF and take a screenshot. So once the screenshot is ready, let's go to our Photos to PDF app. It's right here for me, and just simply open it. So once it's opened, let's move on to tapping this plus icon at the on this page, and this should open your camera roll. So just simply select the screenshot of the text message that you want to save as a PDF. It takes a while to load, but just simply go to the correct album here. So it's still loading here, but as you can see, we have the screenshot there. Just tap on next once you selected that. And this is where you can choose or customize the layout of your PDF. But I'm gonna keep it as it is, but you can customize it if you want. You can preview it and see if it's how you want it to look like. So here's how mine looks like right now. And if you're happy with it, you can just tap on Share PDF. And from here, you have different options. You can send it as a text message, as an email, or whatnot. Or you can also just save it to your files. So tap on Save to Files. And then you can just tap on Save right here. So once you go to your files, you should find it in there as a PDF. Let's go to Files. So on my files, as you can see, the text message is now here as a PDF. And that's how easy it is to save iPhone text messages as PDF. If you found this video helpful, feel free to let us know in the comments below. Like this video and subscribe to our channels for more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.